High ceilings, a rustic industrial look, and an open floor plan are the most distinctive features of a loft apartment. The open concept can often make loft living room design tricky. After all, how do you decorate different rooms of an apartment that is not separated by internal walls? You also have a lot of floor area and large walls to work with. So, it is certain that loft apartment living room ideas cannot be the same as a standard living room. Here in this video, you are watching some of the best loft living room design ideas. I hope that this video will really help you a lot. Minimal interiors and a soft color palette against the expensive layout of the loft living room create an impressive combination. The white walls add the spaciousness in the apartment and making the space look airier, while black frames create neat lines and land structure. Natural light from large screen windows floods the room and an open kitchen sits behind the living area. A large sofa set in light gray is the perfect fit in the living room. Loft-style apartments trace their origins back to post-war New York City. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, many buildings that housed factories, industrial, and commercial spaces were vacated. These empty spaces were repurposed for residential use and become particularly popular with artists and creative people looking for an affordable space where they could live and work. Now this style of apartment has become popular worldwide and is not necessarily located in an industrial building. So if you are searching for the loft apartment design ideas, then I hope that this video will really help you a lot. If you enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to press the like button. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Something New. Thank you so much.